Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me long stand.
Wonder if the word have serious, sir. You must say not serious, but you have to be like he's serious because everything when I say goes not so we have IT here, so how, not even ready yet to figure out work or nothing. I wonder if she still asleep or so. I probably should get breakfast with some else. One pack up my bags and I want to leave to school and I want to problem. But I was very good about how do I see your problem? I'm inside my room, Brittany. So, are you ready to go to school? Yes, ma'am. And your underwear them inside the bathroom? What underwear you talking? Your underwear them when you take off, you leave them inside the bathroom. Why is it you know put it in a washer? Mommy, you not feel be like that, you know? You must not say it was a misunderstanding. Because I don't normally do them something, mommy. Oh my man, you can't be doing something. So when you're ready, you know, you want to be big woman, not true? So why is it you know, you see, as soon as you take them off and you step out of the bathroom, step out with them as well. Put them in a washer, or you carry them outside and hang them out. Wash them as you take off your washer, you bring it outside and hang it out. But mommy, you know, so it's just a misunderstanding. But next time you will do better. Make sure you do better because you know that I'm a very miserable person when it comes on to those things inside the bathroom. Don't leave your underwear so next time. Yes, mommy. Big woman, as they take off their handy, they wash it and they hang it out. You hear me? Yes, mommy. So I'm not going to school now. You get something to eat already? Yes, mommy, I got something to eat already. Well, you leave any for me? No, mommy. What you mean by no? So you only care for yourself? No, mommy, I can't say that. I care about you, but I thought you already had something to eat. You see, you pick me nowadays. You see, you only care for yourself. You don't really care about parents anymore. Because you imagine me inside the room and you wake up, bed, put on clothes, everything. And you look about something and leave a come calm and say, mommy, so one cup of tea here. I can't bother with you, man. Because everything you complain about and this I get out of hand. I see what you're depending on, little girl. I see what you're depending. You hear? But don't worry yourself. Everything soon go under control. You hear me? Everything soon go underneath control. So go to the phone and go to school. And make sure so this evening when you come, you go look about your dinner. Because I go in the kitchen and I go cook and I go eat and wash up back the place. So when you come, you look about your own. You hear? Go on, Miss Lady. You see, when you pick me nowadays, it's not easy. Remember me tell me go cook this evening and you not get nothing to eat this evening. Remember me tell you, you spite me this morning, I spite you back this evening. Wait for me and you. You know I'm grateful to you.
Let me chemistry book.
Why you take so long, Jav?
You know my father stay ready, you know the man they stay ready, and plus me left my chemistry book. But you ready though?
Yeah, me ready, you know how long me I wait for you.
Alright, B, go broke your eyes, come on.
Jav, what you talking about?
B, what you mean you know me I talk about? B, you know some mother they are foreign and thing. And you know, she been a try to do this filing thing and it board to come true. So you know, so me soon take a one fly out and thing. So, you know.
But if your mother file for you and me wanna go there?
No, me I come back and thing and, you know. B, feel like you just overthink and thing, you know. You know me love you and thing. Me always treat her right. Bring you out on those small romantic dates and thing. But you know how my pops treat me already. You know the old man they go along and thing. But me have to work with him. You know, just feel better for you too. You know how thing come down.
Jav, me no believe and me no trust that. Because when you go here, you go find white woman.
B, as me say, just a overthink. Oh, me forget about you. I will never do that. I care about you so much. B, what more can I do? What more can I say? You know, so I love you. I love you like how I love you. And as I can see I brush it, just give me a small look, man. You know I care about you. You don't have to worry yourself.
So you're sure?
B, I promise, man. We'll never leave you. B, stop overthinking, man. And go to school. Remember, say we're late already.
Skinny! Fire skinny!
Yo!
Portal, man, portal, come on foot!
How that job it? Where you go and job that?
There, man, there, man. Check in, man. One rough cup, man. What you talk about, man? Everything man. Active.
Yeah, I mean, man. Let's see a pass.
Mams.
Whoa.
She look nice, don't?
Whoa.
Believe, no? Believe, no?
Nice meeting you. What?
Yeah. Alright.
What's her name?
Alright.
Come on, man.
Tell him your name, I'm my friend Skinny. Tell him your name.
Come on, man. I just I get to know her, man. Oh, God, man.
Brit.
Nice meeting you, Brit.
Jesus Christ, Skinny, man. I want to tell you, man. Me think your Lego Day style, the father.
Okay. No, man. I just agree. Come on, man. I'm a principal guy, you know.
Calm down, no Skinny, man. I'm from where you come from, and yeah.
I mean, man.
Come on, no, man. Remember,
your
discipline.
I have to meet my sister.
Jesus Christ, you want too much, Say,
man, I'm
you come like Andrew now, man.
Yeah, I'm more frisky, bro.
Calm down, man. A school we are going to kind of late and things, Skinny. You don't know, say badness come down. Maybe me check in for the ends to come out and everything.
Alright, my father. For true, man.
But remember what I say? Maybe. And maybe you think that.
Alright, man. Nice meeting you.
School, Skinny.
That's a part. Nice meeting you.
We check.
Nice, man. Take care.
You know, man.
Yeah, man. Take care of my money. Is it? Church, father. Nice, look. Channel. Nice. Jaja. Nice.
Yo, who that?
You know, see, I'm my friend Skinny. One general Skinny, man. I'm teach me ropes if you know and then, you know?
You know, so when he kiss me hand, I could feel a little tongue and wiggle for me hand.
Yeah, no, star. Maybe it's just a simple misunderstanding, B, you know?
Simple misunderstanding? And I can feel him and tongue for me hand.
B, just calm down, you're over dramatic, so man. Calm down, man. You know, badness come down sometime. I'm a little general. A strength teach me street code, you see me? The do's and the don'ts.
General, I touch up your woman, so?
For real, B, but, you know, I feel like he just be nice and thing, you know, because I'm a friend Skinny, you know, and he always try to keep me in the right path. All when pops are telling me foolishness, I motivate me most of the time. You motivate me too, you know, but sometimes I just do too much, you know. Go just go to school and chill, man, because you don't know, so we done late already.
You don't know, sir, why? I every day, you know. But you know a seminar. You know a seminar. But look, remember say, bills have to pay, the boy have to go to school, and he soon start doing sexy them now, so you don't know seminar work and you never put in my part. So no go on right.
You better look work. I have my family over here tonight, and I am spending $500 every other week. You know, I'm considering to send that money to my son. Yeah, I'm so man. We expect to get money from.
Yeah, talk about foreign overseas. I mean, you can know say you can have picnic, so you have to remember that. To blast.
Oh, but guess what? You have a finish the job. To blast. You have to make sure, say, listen to me. You're trying to make sure this, you tell me somebody that is in there, Rolly. You a gambler or something?
Damn, bro. The boy, damn, no, you know. I don't know that already. He damn, no.
That's like about the cheaper. You want to talk about it?
Yes, Pocky Barry, but we still want to send the money. Yeah, massive.
Because you don't look like you have money. You look like you have money, but it's been problem. You don't know how money.
But every day tax gone up. I tell you how to send less money and more if you send.
Oh, look at work, brother.
Yeah, massive.
Get up before day and I'm going late at night time. What you think? Now bills go last.
So me I used to get up before day too. I remember when we used to get up from 4 o'clock in the morning. And you know the reason why I not get no work.
Okay. So because I can't afford now, you stop me to 4 o'clock.
But I don't know if you get up early and mine because I used to mine you too. So you're not sick. So you remember say me used to take care of you and your mother?
Oh, so what?
And your father and your sister and your brother. You see, me not like ungrateful people. You remember where I come from. And so yeah, you remember me too. You remember the sweet love you know me give you to get that the boy there.
You know I cook God, so I like when you barge in on me outside. You know that, you know? What when you barge in on me outside, you don't respect it, you don't know what training.
Look at me, Mr. Kyle, you have a couple in the door.
It don't matter. Some people have a problem.
Anyway, where the plan?
You put out on me safety. And then you come back once me a clean, you have to cook your foot on me safety.
Yeah, clean.
You don't see, you're blind now, you clap this one on me hand.
So where the plan go, Kyle? Talk to me now. Tell me how this something.
Nothing not happen. You feel one train in our respect.
No, that man.
Don't even say good evening.
Come look what I'm here, friend. Look what you're doing.
You know what I'm
saying? I'm way out there, look.
What kind of news you call that, you know?
I'm gone. I'm just come look for you. You know nothing in your house. Anyway, people business can't come up here. Me have something more on belt check on my chest.
What that now?
Now some of us not people business coming up fast, not people business. Me no business with people. But of your that angle you so when you go down after me and the up here and me see she barging and she going with herself and you come like one big idiot. I'm good on I'm in door sleep come here think about you.
What you mean you good on think about it? You not sleep. Your guy fish when you see a lump and mix up in it, you got your yard and you not sleep because of people business. You come over here and come to things like you not sleep because of it.
God, imagine me take this girl from my friend. I see your cheap friend. Imagine me come and talk to you. And me show you advice and I say you want to me.
So I make you make me business not make you sleep. Why you do that? You love people business. I'm friend about you look like I'm going to job. You love people business too much, man. You want there so you can tour. You go there so you can
anyway, I know that me ask you. Talk about your story. Oh, for your daughter cheat your son.
How she treat me? Tell me. And you said she treat me. So tell me how she treat me.
Jesus Christ. I go call pastor for pray for you. Them obey your eye.
And you, I can't obey my ears now. Oh, my daughter treat me.
Your daughter pass you. She look at you. And you are clean. You think I'm going to my yard that clean up me picking down the idiot?
Actually, you know. Until they have big old Saturday. Because see, I'm head around. Even on Saturday or Friday. Actually, you know. Come to think of it for you, you know. You know, say a little girl get out of hand for you.
No, you see.
She get out of hand. Because imagine, he come from school more while. And if he help me do it choice, and she not help me for you, you know.
Then you idiot. If I didn't mind that he head comes. You have my map.
I put me for a prison, you want me go? You
know,
see what I'm going
never make the dad,
you know, see what I'm going now? Has a reason after the next call police for you. I don't got no prison for nothing. I talk to her. If she don't want to hear, she must feel.
This is for reason.
I don't use my foot for nobody. I know she's no dog. She's not a dog. So
anyway, what you plan to do about it?
I go talk to her about it. And I talk to her over constantly. I talk to her over. But the little girl not take each, she not hear.
My daughter them could behave so. My daughter them could have one your daughter going, your daughter does a palaver bossy place, so they go here, there, everywhere. Jesus Christ.
As far as I see, I no pitney mad me. So that's my first big daughter, my first pitney, my first child.
Sure for you?
Yes, sir.
No. What's it?
No, why me hear you say something?
Me just take I remember so when you did your young years, you know, so you know, that too good, you know, so wonderful.
Shut your mouth, shut up. You chat too much. You chat too much. You did time good. You did time good. Busy body. Me say you did time good. You like how
me not about me now.
So you did talk about me for?
Me don't say probably you should take care of that. Me not say nothing.
I wouldn't even watch in the village just say you go along say follow you. But me take care of that. You take after me.
Anyway, when your husband a plan to do both this behavior.
When in daddy come in, daddy we talk to her. Cause me talk to her, she know I hear me. I tell him father about it.
Yeah, talk about expire. You're too ungrateful, so you find man a fire now. Too blast. Me tell you some more, man. Me tell you some more, man. Too blast. You know say, hey, you know say, me a come off my phone, you know, cause you pass the place, you know, the manners. Too blast. Come off on the phone.
Hello. Hello. Where are you going? Mama, I go buy my friend and go study. What do you mean you go buy a friend and go study with? You have to go to the bathroom already? Yes, mommy. Are you there go buy a friend now? Yes. Go study. I remember say exam time. Exam. You have a laptop with your internet. Your room not enough for your studying. Mommy, not be insecure, man. Nothing happen. Not be insecure, nothing happen. So soon if nothing happen. Oi, and me I give you by 4:30 if you reach back here in a bit. By 4:30, so go on out there and make sure say and look here, make sure say your friend here there go study in a bit. You now go like what me I go doing. You try and make sure you know. Cause forward there your tail cock up in your back, you know. So make sure say over your friend here go study. You hear me tell you? Go on and come back and me tell you if you pick sweet there. Me pit a girl, make sure every time if you dry up you reach back in your house. You hear me tell you? Go on and come back. Boy, you go back and go study. Every day I'm alone and feel clean. See veranda there for a man in the veranda for sweep off. You come from school. You don't see map if you take your map off the veranda. But you know if you go in a house, go take on clothes, put on clothes. Your sister warn you about belly ring. You still have in belly ring and belly skin and gone. About your business, but you still know. Just try and make sure you study you're going over friend and study. Oh, just want to find out if I study or I study. Ramp we know girl right now. No. Ramp we don't know. So hard me for your work? You say how hard me for your work? Alright. Ramp with you. Oh.
Mommy, how come I left the door open? You think this Beverly Hills? Mommy, remember it's not like where I live in Beverly Hills where I can leave the door open.
You know me that about 2 minutes of time we just close off.
Oh my God.
I never remember something like that. So I'm going to have
well, Mommy, I didn't bring anything in, but I brought some good news.
Did you open that?
Yeah, because some nice things.
Okay, let me use that. That's so nice.
Well, it's not only because next door me, there is a land that is being sold. You know, and I want to buy. It's a land that you and Daddy can come in there.
Oh my God! I'm proud of you with that.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
I'm proud of you.
Alright.
And your daddy go happy now?
No, I was passing there. I'm still there, Waraka?
Yes, I'm gone.
Well, wait until him come up to get the good news. Come on.
Me want to go to the news at him with that. No, you tell me what's the news at him.
How's this today?
She don't come back from school, is it?
She's not fast?
No, she's not back from school.
She not take up no boyfriend, you know. Mom, me not like how that the face is looking.
Me don't like him either. Because your sister get out of heart.
In a what way?
she behave, her attitude and things change. I don't know if it's because she have one little boyfriend now or what. I don't know her attitude change. Like, she move so little funny way, and as a big sister, I want to call her and talk to her.
When she come from school, I talk to her.
And I serious talking because I don't want no belly in here, no belly.
But you can't carry no belly cover and she have to come do business like me and her father.
And
she have to take her book?
Take book. I don't know if I book her man or why I'm taking her. I don't really understand why I'm taking now. Because you say I walk hours now and now she don't reach home. My daughter, he come from school. He hit me out on the veranda today, so she take past me. Imagine she come in from school late, you know, and she see me on the veranda.
And she say,
no, she not say, Mommy, me soon come. Me say, where you go? Me soon come. Me too insecure. You look like say me and watch him, but me supposed to watch him and my
your daughter say you supposed to, are you duty to watch her?
My daughter, me say, you see Brit, as me I tell her, she get out her hand from left to right, from left to center, middle, everywhere. She just like, as me I tell me there on the veranda and Brit pass me and gone. Me say, Brit, where you go? Me soon come. Imagine you, cause she come from school late. She didn't even go in the kitchen, go shop the two little plate them, you know. She gone about her business. But she soon come.
But remember, say she a teenager, you know.
But you come from school late, you have chores. Me tell her about her auntie this morning, so she must put her auntie in her wash. And now, Brit come from school, just change and go about her business. Of course, me talk to her this morning about her aunties, and now we're still in the bathroom. Plate in there to wash, Brit come, change clothes, gone. He might take man. Brit they get out of hand, me no understand your Brit go on with. And me need you as a bigger sister to sit her down and talk to her because see, me no Brit carry no belly in here. You are my biggest daughter and you never carry no belly in here. Why Brit want come carry belly for me? Me no want no belly in here, so I want you to sit him down and talk to him. A piece of land you can come give me, you never can no belly come give me. So I want you to talk to your little sister.
Yes, ma'am.
See the great you see me and your father. Nice piece of land. And that's how Brit want to do. Walk in, walk. Tish. Sis, Mom. Come here. Mom. Just let me tell you, I'll leave belly in board. And there's something that she carry on in there, and no fear belly no board. Your board piece of land give me. And see when you go board, it's so board in face. And pay them slap this Brit keep up in her house, you know.
Brit, your boy neighbor?
Sis, you don't know, say a new thing now.
What you mean? What you mean say new thing?
I eat a
You know what is new thing as well? Belly.
So true, my boy, my neighbor, me will get belly.
Me never said that.
But that you imply.
Hello, man, you talk to me.
Sis, me not do this.
You see, same thing, in love back answer people when people are tell her right, you see, she just fear attitude that when me talk, she just feel like say she fit talk to.
So you really are giving me attitude, you know?
You know, see, you need glasses for see that? Every time me talk, she have something to say. You talk to her about her how she look and her neighbor ring or something. When you all wire in her belly. Eh?
I do something I do. This is not good enough, you know. I'm never going to talk to you. So, mommy, me need 1 minute with her.
You try to talk to him, you know? You try to talk to him because you see when you left you a different attitude, no I see in the house with her. You see you? You see you? You try to understand and listen to your sister, you hear me tell you?
Oh. Sis, really and truly what going?
Nothing I want, sis. Me just feel like say mommy I overreact too much.
Really?
Yeah, she overreact.
What do you mean?
Because she keep on and cuss every time to nothing at all.
What you call nothing at all?
The things that she a cuss for.
Which is?
Like me neighbor ring her, everything.
That's not you don't know, sis.
What you say?
That's nothing. That's something that.
Well, in my eyes, it is nothing. So, I don't know what else to tell her. Say.
You should have asked permission first.
Well, in idea we are big people and we have to do what we have to do.
You're not big people. I love you, sis, but you're not big people.
But me a grow though.
Yeah, grow, but you're not fully grown yet.
Then suppose me see something. Then suppose me see one experience when we want. Where we go do?
Me go pop you out.
Why sis, me not like why you move like mommy now you feel dey on my side.
Me dey on your side, I'm always dey on your side. But me not go back in your wrongs them. For you're wrong. You understand me? Just do the right thing and make me can't stand up for you, no sister.
Not true, man. Me should go worry and not ask mommy for her. Next time we know better.
Next time you should at least tell me about it.
Alright, sis, that's true.
I know you listen to it.
What do you mean by this?
I know you this.
Come here.
Come here. Tell me something. You have a boyfriend?
Well, sis, the answer to your question is yes.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
How old is he?
Well, I'm 18, you know, sis. So.
18. In bright?
Well, him can do a little thing, so.
Make sure. No, me don't want you saying can do a little thing. Make sure say bright.
What sis? If he when I'm bright,
because guess what?
When I'm bright, don't tell anything. You have nothing to do with me. If I do film thing, me I do film thing.
Oh yeah, I say.
We not there for education. I love
when I deal with.
Sis, he's my best friend. You don't have to worry. You know where I come from just now?
Oh, no.
Me and him did a study and him helped enough time.
And the day man, I study, you know. Make sure you say no cucumber in a pumpkin.
That's why I buy cucumber in a pumpkin.
Cucumber in a pumpkin. Make sure you say no that you study.
Sis, you not have to worry yourself, man. Stop the like mommy.
You sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
Sis, I'm worried.
Me worried about.
Not about you. Like, me love you, but boy, I go on with some things. I'm just
Which things you are talking about?
Your neighbor, the attitude, and everything.
Just that alone.
Sis, if you go on better, I want if you can fight for you. You understand what I say? I want when mommy talk, I can say mommy. And I say you go.
That's true, man. I agree with you.
You understand what I say?
Anytime he come in this evening, I get it. Anytime he come in, this boy come like he want to run my blood pressure. He mother now send money come as much. And that's when she feel like, you wait. Anytime he come this evening, I get it. You see it? Who that? He hard to broke. I go and broke up the crossing back to blast. That damn boy named Jab. He come like I running want to run my blood pressure. Every evening he come from school. He get up gone, but when gone? He not even want to stand in that place and wash up the plate and do something. You wait till he come. Anytime he come, I get it to blood. You see? Good old that. I broke up the class in back. This damn boy come like he want run up my blood pressure.
Evening, Daddy.
Boy, where I come from this what? Where I come from?
Extra lesson, me I come from Daddy. So you never saw me left out there and go extra lesson.
Extra lesson.
Yeah.
Me not tell you when I come from school, I feel left out there.
Yeah, but me have to go extra lesson.
Boy, man, me have to broke up the piece of board upon you know.
Daddy, extra lesson, me I come from Daddy.
Extra lesson, what name extra lesson?
Extra lesson where you take after school over.
Boy, you know hard me have to work for send to go to school.
Me know Daddy, me know see hard.
Boy, me know why you waste my money, you know. Me know why you waste my money, you know, boy.
Me now waste money. Now waste money, Daddy.
Boy, every day that's I get pants up on the
extra lesson, me I come from.
Hey boy, don't make me mash you down to blast.
Alright, Daddy, me now work on my extra lesson.
Yo, boy, you raise up my blood pressure, you know. You raise up my blood pressure, boy, every day. I be a problem. What you want me to do? Hey boy, don't. Come on, boy.
Yes, Mr. Jonathan. Yes, I understand, man.
Yes, so what you're saying, so the market is going up. Yes, so we have to invest more now, you know. Yes, now is the time. Now is the time, man. It's critical now that we invest more money in the business. Yes, because take a look at the stocks. Have you seen the latest numbers? Yes, man, the numbers look good. I tell you. So what? Now is the time to dump more money into this now, man. Yes, man, the returns can be for. Hold on, Mr. Jonathan. Yes,
can I have a word with you?
I know you have to have a word with me, you know. But right now, I have to have a word with Mr. Jonathan. Because right now, you see, the stock market looks like it's up to explode. I have to take advantage of it. Alright? So
Pops.
No, I will talk to you later.
We can't talk later. It's a no situation.
Mr. Jonathan? Yes. I'm still here with you, man. Yes, just give me a minute, Mr. Jonathan. I shouldn't talk to you.
I said we want to talk to you.
Come on, you understand.
This is a family issue. I need to speak with you. Every day is another business meeting to our next business meeting.
Mr. Jonathan. Yes, I'm still here, man.
Hello.
Hold on.
Tell Mr. Jonathan say we call him back in a second.
I should talk to you, Mr. Jonathan. Give me a minute. Come. What is wrong with you? I'm working every day, you know. I have to provide more. That's later on. When we're in the golden age, we can kick back our foot and relax. What is wrong with you?
Me know say your business important.
The business is important. That's what pay the bills, come.
We are so important as well to Pops.
Listen to me, come. If I don't pay the bills, if I don't give you money, come, you're going to leave. You're going to give the pumpkin to somebody else, you know.
But me need to talk to you now, Pops.
Listen and understand. I have to work. I have to provide. You see, I sent one daughter through school already. I have to ensure that this one finished up. You understand? I can't just do something halfway and leave it halfway. I have to finish. I have to follow through. See, I
listen, Pops.
Mr. Jonathan. Yes, Mr. Jonathan. Alright.
Pops,
so, know that the numbers are up, Mr. Jonathan. I would like about $1 million more. Yes, man. I'm going on Forex early, man. You know, we got to work.
Pops, you have to work over here so with your family too.
That's just my wife, Mr. Jonathan. I should talk to you, Mr. Jonathan. Just give me a minute. There. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
When is it you're going to take time out for your family, Pops? When?
I have to do the things now. The time is now. So, since all the problems that we don't have those problems.
Have you ever take a moment to sit down and ask yourself the question, for the month start, how much time you stay here? How many days you spend with us?
But those trips are important.
You make money, you can't care out your family, you don't have time for reason with your family, you don't know what going in your household, Pops.
Look, I'll give you money, though.
Money doesn't matter right now. I'm talking about your family. We need to talk.
If you want to take a trip, come there's the money.
Take a trip where we say we need to talk about with that, that me I talk about. Don't have to get loud.
Come, you're not understanding me.
You not understand me, so we need to talk about Brittany. That is what we need to talk about.
Then when Brittany gets here, we talk to Brittany.
I know we want to talk. For me and your discussion, full conversation this. As a mother, as a father, you need to put your opinion. You need to take Britta and sit Britta down and talk to Britta as well too. Me alone cannot do this. You are a father too. You think it's only up to him and alone? What about the father? You know a father?
I understand, yeah. I understand, but a father's role is also to provide.
Listen, don't get me wrong, Pops. Me know that you provide for me. You always make me comfortable.
Yes,
there is no doubt about that. There is no doubt. I'm going to give you your props for that. You understand? But the most important part about it, you need to take time out and spend with your family. That matters.
I will find some time. I will let the secretary look at my books and understand when I can get some time. Right now, Mr. Jonathan.
See there, you make me a waste of me talking. And now when you talk about everything.
Yes, Mr. Jonathan. Yes, I can't finish the meeting now, man. Yes, man. Yes. So I will get you $1 million. Yes, man. Everything sounds good, man.
Yes, man. All of this be all about money. This is just all about money. What about your family?
She's still here making yes, I'm going in my house.
You need to make time for your family, Pops. You need to do. Jesus. Right. How when this man I really have to sit down and settle down with his family and think about his family. This money, every day money, you come fling down money on the table and son. That's not the only thing that matter in our family. You have to reason with your family then, because if you don't reason with your family, all we are going to cope. You think it's all about money? That is not it. We don't have a family band right now. You make me comfortable, yes, but that's not it alone. Pops just not seem to understand and get this thing, man. What is a family? The one of we have to come together to make one. Money is not just can't better sometimes. I can't really enjoy how me alone for parent, Brit. You have a father, you have a mother. But it just seems like it's just me alone is there. You make me comfortable, yes, but she also need a father. She really need a father, man. We can't manage this no more. We cannot manage this no more. Brit need a father role. You need to play a role in Brit's life as well too. How me I gonna do this? Eh? How me I gonna have to talk to Brit more while? You need a father figure. Not only if you buy him everything what she want. You buy her everything what she want, but that's not it alone at all. Can't bother, man.
How that? Where they going to everything out there? There, man. No, drop my father, man. Where they going for true? I'm there, for real, my G. Man. So where they going with? Where out there saying I call me killer?
That pay lick me I get from when, brother. Oh, that damn, that kill me. Lick over yard. You know, no advice to me, Skinny.
Beer lick.
Yeah.
Beer lick, I get. Jaja, dog say I get beer lick, so you know I get no mango lick and no orange lick.
Take it
but the friend is still on a joke, man, me kill her, man, you know, I tell her, man, I see it, man, you go through a mental state, you know. Yeah, man, for true. Yeah. Watching her, me kill her. See, look a fella, I see I walk with for true. And that the fella, they feel gross up, so for true, and release some stress. You understand?
She not really ready for that yet still, and I'm not really ready for that yet still, because I'm really still in a school, I'm kind of focused on my notes, them, you know.
That's why you stress out so much.
You have a point, yes, but, you know.
You have a point, you have a knife point.
True,
yeah.
Stress come with life.
Yeah. You say knife pointed, I saw stress juke you.
So Skinny, where you get knife from? You afraid police follow with that?
So you afraid of knife?
Yeah, brother, Skinny, like what you are doing, man? Calm down, man.
Calm down. Are you if you calm down, you forget some pumpkin to calm yourself down. Listen me, man. You look a fella where you are power, that you feel damage if you true. If you did get none of that, you wouldn't stress out. May I tell you, for true.
You know, so you're kind of right though, Skinny.
Kinda right.
Put it in a consideration.
No, kind of right, man. I'm fully right. So for true.
But me can't just force on myself on the beat, so can't she already yet.
Relax, man. You're not force, man. You see, any boy will force on himself and woman, that is called rape.
That me I try to show you.
Me I tell her for true. So here what I style now. You know the building there. You know the unfinished building around a lane where you always walk come from school.
Yeah, me know that lane there.
Watch your style now. See tomorrow when you're on travel through, because I know say you're on pass for true. So when you're on travel through, yeah, the style now. You just take a breaks over there, man. You have to can touch her gently. Talk to her nicely. Go in her ears and whisper something soft and gentle.
What do you mean touch her gently? Elaborate more.
Like rub her down so, make she shiver.
So?
Yeah, so, make she shiver.
So?
While you have to rub, yeah, like you have to know the spot is like all her neck them part.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to rub her, touch her like that. While I touch her like that, kiss her upon her forehead. Them thing they get woman weak. When I kiss woman upon them forehead and rub them gently at them necks of it, it make woman weak. It make them pumpkin wet up.
So you feel she go like that?
Oh, you mean? Tomorrow, man, you just care over them, man.
You always give me good advice, no skinny.
So you stress out there, just want to take a 5, man. They say you look a private spot, you and I go chat look. You understand? And then you see how she just drop her pumpkin, girl. Easy, easy.
Yeah.
She not get her in a private space, bro. School to yard, school to yard, school to yard. That's why you not get no pumpkin, man.
No, me just feel like me never ready.
Let me tell you something. You say you're a girl. But you see, if you not get the pumpkin, she's not your girl. Do not take any girl and say you're a girl unless you are get the pumpkin. You see it, me G?
So skinny, you right. beat up my shoulder, so.
If you, what me say? You see, if a girl now give you the pumpkin, she a no for your girl. So no own up no girl where you not juke the pumpkin off of the vine.
I go try juke pumpkin tomorrow.
Juke the pumpkin off of the vine for true.
I go try.
And then she can become your girl.
But before me try,
I teach her a lesson from Shirley.
I think about it tonight first before me
life
try.
lesson, man. Life lesson. If you not touch the pumpkin, do not call her your girlfriend for true. That's our biggest life lesson as a G in the street for true.
Me I try, cause me have in my consideration now, you know, me I think about it deeply. So me I go try.
I tell her.
Me I go try.
True.
But me not sure if she a go into it.
Stop feel yourself, bro. The first step you have to take towards life, towards something where you want to achieve.
No, you know, say, I just envision when we move out and thing, buy factory and I drive the Benz and, you know, can't wait to move out and parents' house and we build our own house and we have kids, you know. Come out on the balcony and sip Hennessy and I smoke weed and thing. You get me, I say? Just like a lifestyle me I pray lavish, you know. We live nice. You know, be always there for my mind and thing, and when I grow old, I have to move home. I just want to be a part of my humble establishment. Not even mine, our humble establishment, you know. Because I always there for my mind and thing, I'm always think about it, so never want to leave you and me end up with.
Job, when you say me rate you do, you always have to talk positive things, brother. And that's why I always have to cherish.
You know, so I'm not too ready to go. I'm all the things I go through in my life and thing. I'm not too ready to go. I'm a company, you know, we talk a little bit and thing before we go home.
I understand that.
So you say we can sit down over here and have a small conversation before we go home.
Of course.
Oh, hard me work in a farm, Jesus Christ. If you go start big out there, you're more later, man. But you know, work a pile of pan right now. Nobody see help on me make a thing there, you know. But if you just go and do what I can do, you know. Do what I do before what I do me. Yeah, and I need to plant by Saturday. One nice guy, you know. Just want some care, you know. It's hot. You know, saying in real life, I really stress out and thing, but I like to sample pumpkin in real life and I release my mind and thing, you know. That make me focus more and thing. What you say about that?
What happened today?
I don't say the first time or anything, but you can't work, man. You can't make it work. You can't work for cheap process.
Yeah, work, man.
You mean say can't work. You for me and me for me, you know, but kind of go through stress and thing. Father kind of leave me away.
It can't work, job. Suppose me get pregnant.
No, not like that, man. You think wrong now. You know, You don't have to think so.
What do you mean by me I think right?
No, you have to think positive before you start thinking negative. Bro, you know, I don't want to leave you and think on certain things, you know, just go through life. How did that?
You know, say, after a conversation, I had have to do. After me done the community, me just want to thinking about it.
I think I never did that thing.
And, you know, say, me hardly there for true.
You're not there here, Pop, so that me I try to make you understand, but each time I try to get your attention and to talk to you. You notice when you come home at evening time, the only thing you can do have a shower, eat your dinner, and sometimes you even drop asleep, same place around the table in your couch.
Yeah, me understand.
And as they light you gone, you don't have no time for your family. Right now, I wonder how you're there.
Yeah, the thing is, you notice, me mostly used to talk, me talk, me not for you. So sometimes me talk and me never did really listen to what I say.
Yeah. If you listen, Pops, you have a teenage daughter. And remember, say, me alone cannot do it, you know, she's a teenager, you know? She need your advice as well, Pops.
I know, but you a girl that you know you're a female, I just feel like that would have more your alley kind of thing, yeah?
No, but she need a father figure. A father have to sit her daughter down and tell him about guys and then, remember, say a teenager.
For true,
when me and you go to school.
Yeah, some junk
talk it true. When me and you go to school, when we there in the high school, Pops.
School that about
yes, school me I talk about Pops. You know the thing they say. Stop laughing. This is not a laughing matter.
Oh, yeah, we remember school.
Everybody have their boyfriend.
We remember school.
Remember too, but you all that we used to have. We have a boyfriend and a girlfriend. Remember say from high school me and that too, you know? That's the reason why me I tell you say you have to sit down and talk to Brit, tell her about man with them capable of doing. Me I talk to her too, you know, some of that, you know? But me alone cannot do this, Pops. Me need your help. Me need you by my side. Me need you to be involved in your daughter's life more.
For true.
You understand what I say?
True.
Because the way Brit are going right now, I not too like it. Because as Brit come home, Brit gone. Brit not help me do no house chores nor nothing.
And normally when I'm home, she home, you know. So, where she even there by the way?
Me say they chop up one man in a go. What? Oh God, they chop up one man.
They chop up. How do you work?
No, mommy, they chop. One man did a try to take off. What you trying to say to me? Hey, sit down, get up, sit down.
Hold on.
What you trying to say to me?
Hold on.
Now what you trying to do? He trying to take off my clothes. Take off my clothes.
Me have one problem. Hold on.
He touch. Tell me.
You touch her?
He never get me touch me, but he didn't take off my clothes.
Jeez and peas. So hold on. I'm going to chop up your road. Cause I have to give them chop. Cause they give them chop up right. Cause I want to road now. Cause me want to know who touch you. Which boy touch you?
You see, same thing me I tell about.
Jeez and peas. Me go
You have to be there here sometimes. Brit, which part exactly this happened?
Who touch you? Who touch you?
I mean,
Christ.
So what you do if you not work up there? What you up there do? What you not abandon
This one looks safe. So
no.
Put her in there. I'm not moving. Sit down. They're not touching nowhere.
No, then she said they're not touching, but Britta tell me so she in a one abandoned house. Brit, what you up at abandoned house doing? Eh?
Oh, me and Jav.
Jav.
You and Jav.
Who is Jav by? Who is
Jav?
Jav?
Me tell us if you are touching your family, it's same Jav what me want about Brit.
So what happened?
What time you want about Jav?
What happened to
Look here, make me talk. Look here, make me talk. You know, they have no, you know about clue about Jav right now, here?
Listen.
Me no want about Jav.
Yes.
And you end up in an abandoned house with Jav. Suppose then he cut your throat up there. Suppose me get a phone call and say, me fi come identify me daughter body. How many times must I warn you about that boy? It's not good for you. Hey, Brit? Just take your book now, Brit, please, me I beg you. Do. Just take your book now, Brit. You go see what me I tell about. You go pee off in a long round, Brit. Just listen to your mother now, please. Me not tell you not what we hurt you back in that. Brit, you make me heart up pain, me, Brit. Can you imagine you coming from school, Brit, and you end up in an abandoned house?
Brit boy.
Why you do that? That's the reason why me I tell you so you need to have a conversation with your daughter.
Me know them boys stay nowadays. You know what I'm fine. Me can't tell you that, you know. Once they know your father word, they will take your money. You understand? You cannot just abandon house. Boy, I feel so disappointed. I feel shit. I can't even make nobody at the office know this, you know. But you know what? From today, I shall work at home. You know, you have to be careful out there. These young guys nowadays, they don't need nothing from you. All they get the little punk in them gone. You have to be wiser, man. I think you are smarter than this. You know, I never had these problems with your little sister, bigger sister. Yeah, but I understand, you know. I shall stay home now. I don't put my foot now in this house here, you know.
That is exactly what you need to do.
Because all this job guy, I must meet this job guy too. Because
they want to sell to
this not look right.
I never job.
It was a job. So who?
Job friend lick him out, daddy.
So you see that even goes to show you, you know. Some friend and no friend. You see me taking, teaching. Boy.
You listen to your father, Brit. This is a serious issue. You could have died in the process, you know.
We could have identified body come.
Oh, I don't know how you're talking about me, couldn't take that.
And your sister, imagine how that news would greet your sister.
When I call your sister and tell him all about that. Eh?
Oh my God.
I'm very sorry about that, and I know that you are traumatized right
now.
Oh
God, man.
I'm sorry about that. Okay, my daughter. Next time, I just need you to be careful and just listen to what I tell you.
I'm staying home now, yeah?
So, you know, mommy love you.
We're going to get you checked out and everything, yeah? I'm going to make sure you're alright.
I know that you're traumatized.
My father. Oh my gosh. Come from me.
You need to stay home with your family now.
I understand. I understand, God. I understand.
Mommy love you, yeah?
Daddy love you too.
I need you to start listening to your mommy.
Take mommy's word. Mommy go through it already. You know? She can tell you the story.
As the brighter one. So you see what you saw and I saw what I see.
Well,
okay.
Me only glad me can't tell her still. You know? Say, Jav have an opportunity. So when me see him, I go tell him, I say, come in, you know, I go tell him. I go tell him, look boy, I make him follow me go down my people.
You should have shame because me and your brother and look how me look.
Me and your brother?
Look how look come out of here, Lucky. You should have shame, you know, Lucky.
You're lucky, me and your brother.
Lucky, you know.
Hold on,
we are blood, Lucky.
Look for me. Look for you. Look for me swagger. Look for your swagger.
Lucky. Look for me swagger fit you a slippers and crush up shirt.
I tell me no business with you. And you want to look so.
Lucky.
But me, what you come about me fi press we have your audacity if you say me fi press for you, me.
Lucky, you know, say we are not blood with water in a real life.
You're right.
We are not blood with water for real.
Keep your filthiness to yourself.
You know what? Cut all the foolishness, me. I shut up.
Remember, say you have to go for water, more water. I mean, I don't know water.
See now, follow me, go spring, Lucky.
Go for water. You know, see me, I'm a king. Alright. Look for me, swagger. Me no go for water, brother.
Me say, Lucky.
I'm hurry up and come on, too.
No, shut up. Lucky.
Shut up, what?
Me shut up.
Mommy, I wait for you. Lucky, tell you that. Alright. You're a bad man, alright.
You know, say, Lucky, I really yet though. Look how Lucky run gone left me. Lucky! You know, say, Lucky, a real fool, you know. Look how Lucky run gone left me. I mean, the man cut left me this morning, now he run gone left me this evening, church over. Alright, let me take my good time.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, where are you? Mommy! Mommy!
Is what?
Oh, God. The dear man, come here. You know, let's just go on while I'm at church.
What happened?
Mommy, before me tell you, sit down. Before you hear, me know. God, mommy, my dear mother.
This
is I smoke weed.
Who? Where? When? Talk again, me not get it. Talk again.
Mommy, I want weed, mommy. I bring him, I bring down my reputation, you know. I bring down. Mommy, I hide me if you hide him. Mommy. We no big pastor see him.
So when they know?
Me left him down the road, mommy. Me I'll tell him say you only need to come go for water and he say he not go for none. And I bad me up, mommy.
No.
Me I'll take up stone off of me.
No talk no more. Me have to go for him. Me have to go for him right now.
Mommy,
that's
you
serious.
don't know, mommy.
I see him boy come. They praise. I want to go for a scholarship.
I choose you not like me, mommy. I choose you not like me because she has seen me and I cut her eye. Me see her down the road, you know, mommy.
Oh,
yes.
You serious?
Yes, mommy. They don't like me, mommy. I aim a Java shut her up against me, mommy. Choose you know I'm to get his scholarship. And you know, say me bright and full of potential, mommy.
Definitely.
Not true.
Straight A.
Not true. Look for me swagger, mommy. Me no bright.
You know if you ask that, but anyway, me have a good.
Yes, mommy, yes. One of your man, my friend, say me a bigger boss in this. Me in charge, yeah.
Smoke no weed.
Me never did but no ganja.
What you mean? Hurry up, come.
Me never did but no weed. I like them on them, mommy. I like Jesus Christ Almighty God. I like them on them, mommy. I like them on them, mommy. Why? Murder. I like them on them, mommy. But me never did but no weed. I like them on them. Jesus Christ. I like them on them, mommy. Me never did but no weed. Me never did smoke. Sunday school, me go listen to me, no man. I Sunday school, me go. Why? I Sunday school, me go. Why? I Sunday.
Right. One of your bed now. One of your bed now.
Mommy.
Oi. Boy, too rude, man. You tell lie.
Yeah, alright. Mommy, no have your blood pressure, mommy. Cause you want a glass of water, mommy.
Yes.
Sit down, mommy. Sit down.
False takes with celebrity. Get a little plate up. Think a joke.
Look, you know, say he's a wicked boy, bro. You make it a point of duty, say run left me come from church, you know. And you're the bun weed up at church and really can't tell mommy say yo, me the bun weed, you know.
Me
wicked.
Me see a bun weed.
Okay, listen to me. God, I seen you one night time them and when you seen a couple.
Yo, what the fuck? Get up off of my bed, bad man.
You're wicked.
Yo, get up off of my bed, bad people.
You're wicked, Lucky.
Get up off of my bed, you. It come like you lick them when you get no suit, yo.
Don't worry yourself, Lucky.
You me I tell you?
Anything sweet you're going sour, yo. I bet you one night time you get same amount of liquor. Lucky. Alright, Lucky. Me lucky.
Come off of my bed, brother.
Lucky. Don't worry yourself, Lucky. Lucky. Don't worry yourself.
Come out of my room, man.
Lucky. Your time is coming.
Lucky.
Me say Lucky. Your time is coming. You're a liar then you're a
Come out of my room.
Mr. Lucky, you're a timer. Go.
Come out of my room, bad people. I'm here, man. Don't disturb me. All the girl come off a line. Oh, this a man. Me and you. Remember, say, you don't lie like me, no? Me and you again. Me and you in this a ball game, so make sure you say you can tackle. Oh, Tada. Me go tell mommy too. Me go tell mommy too. Mommy, how for food that? The food over there, so.
Job food.
Job food. You better put it back in the iPad.
Why?
You know what it is?
Where you find that?
Where you find it? In your son pocket.
Job pocket?
In your son pocket. You might plan to breed girl in here.
No, in here. I know in here.
Yeah.
Job. 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 Job.
Yes, mommy.
I went into summer.
Me no stammer, man. That's you, man. I go and wait till it
You have a right for delay answering me.
I want, mommy.
You know what is?
Where you get that from, mommy?
And in your pocket today.
For me pocket?
No,
mommy.
No, for me.
Me not use them listen to them, mommy. No.
But you can't look at me and talk to me.
No, me no know where you get that from. Me not even know about that.
You mean